Hello and welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to show you Turkish Yufka bread, known as one of the healthiest types of bread in the world. This traditional flatbread is still prepared in many parts of Anatolia using the same old methods, often in open-air settings. As you can see, everything is natural and simple. The dough is kneaded with only flour, water, and a bit of salt. There's no yeast, no additives. That's why it keeps for a long time and is very easy to digest. Turkish yufka is made a little differently in every region. In central Anatolia, it's rolled out thin and large. In the Aegean region, it's a bit thicker and served hot, straight from the griddle to the table. In the east, it's baked in a tandoor, taking on that unique smoky aroma that gives it an entirely different flavor. Although yufka may look simple, it actually requires great skill. Every stage is full of labor and patience, and perhaps that's why it's more than just bread. It's a symbol of culture and sharing. The most important step in making yufka is kneading the dough properly. Masters of this craft can feel the perfect consistency just by touch thanks to years of experience. It should be neither too hard nor too soft, just right, kneaded until it becomes elastic and doesn't stick to the hands. After kneading, the dough is divided into small pieces, forming round portions called bezeler. Each one is carefully rolled, covered, and left to rest for a while. This resting time increases the dough's elasticity, allowing it to be rolled thin without tearing. Next, each piece is placed on a floured wooden surface and rolled out with a thin rolling pin, oklava. At first, it's rolled gently to widen it, then rotated around the pin to stretch it thinner. The thinner it gets, the lighter and crispier it becomes when cooked. At this stage, the baker's skill truly shows. The dough is rolled out until it's almost paper thin without tearing. It should be smooth, even, and delicate. That's where the true secret of Turkish yufka lies. Each sheet is prepared patiently and entirely by hand. And soon, this simple dough will meet the fire and turn into delicious bread. Now I'll show you how yufka bread is cooked outdoors. First, we place the dough on an iron griddle set over stones. A wood fire is lit underneath, and as the griddle heats up, the yufkas begin to cook. The yufkas start to puff up on the griddle. To help this process, we lower the edges of the bread slightly over the coals, allowing it to cook beautifully without burning. We flip it from time to time to make sure both sides cook evenly. You can see the dough puffing up and turning slightly golden. That's the sign that it's perfectly cooked. In different cities, the method of baking Yufka may vary. Some use tandoors or electric griddles, but believe me, for the best and most authentic taste, wood fire is unmatched. Its natural smoky aroma and light crispiness make Yufka bread truly special. When the Yufkas are exposed to air, they dry out like chips and can be stored that way throughout the winter. There's no need to refrigerate them, just keep them in a cool, dry place. When you want to eat them, it's very simple. Spray a little water on both sides of the dried bread, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. It will become soft again, just like freshly made. And the best part, this bread is completely natural and gentle on the stomach. You can fill it with anything you like. Make a wrap, eat it with cheese, vegetables, or whatever you enjoy. That's it. Simple, healthy, and delicious. Homemakers have truly mastered this craft over generations. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video, wishing you healthy and flavor-filled days.